All right, today we're going to bring a cat hammock. We're going to open it up and see what you get. All right, you get the actual instructions with it, how to set it up, the actual hammock, the poles, two different sides. So you get a fluffy side, and then all the attachments in here. So we're going to put it together and see how it works. I like these suction cups because they're actually, you could push the button and release them in case you got to relocate it too. And they give you actually other tools so you can actually set it up in different modes. If you have a wall, a drywall, or wood, you could drill this into there, make it a permanent station. All right, first of all, we're going to set these up together. All right, so you marry these two in, and this is going to be the front back end. All right, so just make sure that you're aware that how to set these up. All right, we got this part going. The hardest part was to actually intercept all two pieces in here, right? So the screws here, passing it through this main part and then going all the way to the end. That's probably the hardest part, but overall, let's go ahead and continue. Next step, add these bumpers. These are spacers in case you're going to get it against a wall or anything. You don't want to damage it. So just make sure you put it in both ends. Easiest part, these things come apart. This goes through one end, and then you screw it on the other end. Very simple. All right, one of the last parts almost, putting the mesh into the actual system. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. And then all we got to do is Velcro it through the back of this system here. If you guys can see that. Make sure it's not, this is going to be the bottom, all right? So you don't want to give the cats access to this part. All right, the last part, we're going to set up this first. And this is washable, so in case you got to remove it and wash it, it's very simple. It does the same thing, the same way you have to set it up.
The way this gets done, in order for this to stick to your window, you press on it and you turn it. So you have to press on it in order for these to stick onto your window. For the suction cups to stick on your window. Oh, here comes Olivia. Olivia and Osa are interested in it. So they're like, how can we get up there? To remove it, look, all you do is turn it. And there we go, that side. Let's do. There it goes, you see? And it starts removing. Okay, I just tried it a little bit on my door just to see how it is. If it'll take, it did take it on my door one side. If it'll have a flatness on the door, it would take the other side. And as you can see, they love it. They love their perches.